Today, the Miko team is on a mission to make a difference. Thanks to the generous support from DT Care Foundation, they've purchased 520 kilograms of dog food from a local manufacturer, supporting local businesses. Their first delivery of 80 kilograms went to a partner who previously received hospital goods, all made possible by the kindness of donors like you. Now, they're heading to the pet center in Uman, Ukraine, where they'll be delivering 160 kilograms of nutritious dog food to the pets in need. Because every pet deserves to be cared for and loved. Join DT Care Foundation in their mission to create a better tomorrow.